All right, YouTube, help me out on this one. Almost 44 years on the planet, and I just figured out that I could do this. Put a magnet on a windowsill. Works for all kinds of magnets. But not all magnets. Apparently it works on door frames. Sometimes. You can hang important documents or your favorite piece of art.
You can stick it up here and it can stay on there.
Works on all the windows and on the edge moldings and on the overhead trim. Use it to hang decorations. Lots of possibilities here. So let me know in the comments below, YouTube. Does this work for anybody else? Did anybody else already know about this?